Hi, today I'm Friday for me is the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recording on this device. So first, let's open the Settings app and then scroll down to Advanced Features. Then tap to Screenshot and Screen Recording and scroll down. If you want to switch on or switch off the screen touches and screen recorder, you should use this switcher to turn them on or turn them off. Also, I got one more way how we can launch the screen recorder settings. First, open Notification Panel shortcuts, then find Screen Recorder icon and press and hold it for a while. After that, you'll launch the same screen recorder settings and you can turn on or turn off the screen touches in your screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.